YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and reveal of two items that I recently received, and I cannot wait to share with you. And also, I'm going to share with you a Louis Vuitton bag that I have never carried that I'm going to take out with me today, and it is one of my pinnacle bags. I've got her all loaded up. And bonus, we're going to do a little bit of mixing and matching of my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette with whatever I have to show you in the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So Melody with Dress Up Your Purse was kind enough to send me two items, the one in this box and then the other one, which is not in a box. And I will show that to you after we go over this one. But this one I'm super excited about. As you can see, it's from her own line, Melody Cecile, and it comes with its own packaging, including a custom dust bag. And so let's see what's in here. Now, I did open this because it had some wrapping that I wanted to get off of it before we started, so I wasn't messing around with little plastic wrap because she does such a good job protecting her items by wrapping up all of the hardware. So this is a very luxurious bag. Let me show you what it is. So here we go. It is an all Pochette Accessoiries, and it is absolutely stunning. The Pochette leather on this is a very luxurious feeling, and it is pretty much the same size as the larger pouch in the multi-pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. It is ever so slightly bigger, I think. Let me tell you why. If you look at them side to side, you'll see that up at the top, the Dress Up Your Purse Pochette pochette does not get quite as narrow. You can see that the multi-pochette accessoire is slightly wider. Now, for me, that does not make a lot of sense because I initially wanted to put the mini pochette from the Pochette Accessories on the front of this all Pochette bag. I thought it would be really cute and fun. And this is the look I was going for. But when I attach it on there, there's just a little bit more torque going back this direction than I would like. Whatever the reason, my idea of putting this on front of that is not going to work, but never fear, we have some other fun things to combine with this beautiful bag. Let's check out the whole bag though before we get started. It comes with a snappy strap, as I like to call them, meaning that it can go on the shoulder, or you can unsnap it and then bring the strap up to the top, snap it there, and you have a crossbody strap. This is a very close match to Louis Vuitton Pochette, as you can see, and the Dress Up Your Purse Pochette on this particular set is already tanned, so you don't have to worry about developing a patina. This one already has it. The chain that comes with this bag is absolutely gorgeous, and in my opinion, in a lot of ways, it's better than the one that came with the multi-pochette accessories because it has the clips on the end. I don't love that the multi-pochette accessoire doesn't have the clips on the end. Second of all, it's just a little bit shorter, and one of the things that I found with the Louis Vuitton version is it's just a hair too long. And third of all, I feel like the quality of the Dress Up Your Purse version is every bit as good as the Louis Vuitton version, if not better, in the case of this particular chain. It is an extremely nice chain. It has good weight to it and tons of sparkle. Now that I'm done with the multi-pochette accessoire chain, because I'm not going to use it anymore, I'm going to put it on my Capucines. This is her first venture out. I've had her for months and I've never used her. What was I thinking, or what am I thinking? But I put on an outfit that was like beige and cream, and I'll show you here in just a minute. And I thought, you know what? Today is the day. She is going to make her maiden voyage. She's already all loaded up. And I do like the multi-pochette accessoire chain with the Capucines because since the D-rings are right on the inside of the bag at the corners, I like to just have one clip there as opposed to multiple, so I can clip that chain right to the Louis Vuitton clip, and then I don't have a lot going on right there in that spot. So I have this beauty all loaded up, ready to go, and she holds all of my regular items with no problem. Some people like to wear their Capucines with the flap on the outside. I haven't got mine trained to stay there yet, so I'm going to go ahead and just tuck it into the slip on the inside. But here is my outfit of the day. I have kind of a beachy outfit on, but very neutral. Don't have to worry about any color transfer. It has sort of a linen back and it laces up on the sides. And I just thought that this bag was meant for this outfit. My shoes match my pants perfectly, and then they have a little pop of brown on the back with that faux snake. And I feel like that just complements everything so well. So the interior of the pochette from Dress Up Your Purse has a nice lining. It's got a pocket, and then it has another pocket with a zipper on the opposite side. Super pretty shiny hardware, as you can see. Let's go ahead and clip the strap to this, and we can clip the other strap, and I'll try it on for you real quick. So if I want to wear it on the shoulder, I could just do that. That totally works. But again, the way the snappy straps work is you just pop the snaps loose, and then you pull it up to the top, and then you fasten the snaps up at the top, and then that part will go over your shoulder. So there the bag is crossbody. Now this is where we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna take this strap off, and we're gonna put on a Louis Vuitton strap. So I have this from a Pochette Matisse, and I don't have a monogram Pochette Matisse, but I do have a strap. And you can also get Louis Vuitton straps that are monogram, but then have a bit of vachetta on them. And I think that they would probably look even better than this strap is going to look on this bag. But I'm gonna put the monogram strap, and I feel like the caramel color of the fleur in the middle really complements the bag. And then I'm gonna put this little coin pouch from the Multi-Pochette Accessoires on the bag for a little bit of eye candy. So I think this is a fun way to wear this bag as well. You can see I've got the gold hardware on the strap up here that kind of pops, as well as the monogram with the all vachetta bag. Now you can buy some all vachetta bags from Louis Vuitton. I don't know if Louis Vuitton themselves are actually currently selling them, but they've had an all vachetta Speedy, as well as I think a Noe, if I remember correctly. But if you want to do the all vachetta bag and not worry so much about it, this option from Dress Up Your Purse is an amazing one. I would be particularly nervous myself to have an all vachetta Louis Vuitton bag because of the potential for damage to the vachetta. It's just something that I don't like having a lot of on a Louis bag, because if you get a huge stain on it, it's pretty noticeable. But the price point on this is really nice. It's $149, I believe, and you can get 15% off with my discount code, which I'll pop in right here, if you are interested in purchasing it. Now, Melody did gift this item to me, and if you use my code, I do get a small percentage of the sale, just FYI. But I did pick this out myself because I thought it was quite beautiful. The final item I picked out was this bum bag. I noticed that Melody had bum bags on the Dress Up Your Purse website. I thought, why not try one of these out? I'm kind of the Lululemon guru. I have quite a collection of both the small and the large size, or I guess the regular and the large size. And I was drawn to her particular bum bag because it has gold hardware, which is beautiful. There are a few of the Lululemon bags that have gold hardware, but most of them do not. And then also what I liked about it was that the strap was the continuous strap without a tail, just like Lululemon did before they upgraded their belt bags. And people really do not like the upgrade because they don't like that loose tail hanging out. It tends to adjust itself while you're wearing it. So if you're one of those people that like the OG version of the Lululemon belt bag, this is pretty close to that in terms of the strap because it's one loop. Now it's making some noise right now, but if you position the bag correctly on your body, the zipper is not going to bang against the buckle. As you can see on me, I have the strap nearly fully extended, and it hits in a really nice spot. I'm 5'8", about 145 pounds, and I have a bigger chest. So if you're smaller chested, this should work for you. If you don't mind wearing your belt bag up higher on your chest, you could bring the adjustment up a little bit. But I think it's really cute, and it's just a little bit dressier than your Lululemon belt bags are. And that is because of the hardware, because as you can see, most of the Lululemon belt bags have plastic buckles like this one does. You have the 2-liter version or the large version of the Lululemon belt bag, which is bigger than the dress up your purse version. You'll notice that the zipper pocket is on the front of the dress up your purse bag, while it is on the inside of the Lululemon belt bag. I feel like the dress up your purse version is closer in size to the 1-liter version of the Lululemon belt bag. It might be slightly bigger. Again, the zipper placement on the 1-liter version is also on the back. Let's look at the inside. So inside the Lululemon belt bag, you have mesh pockets. You have 2 on one side, and then you have a bigger one on the opposite side. When you open this one up, you see it has a fun pop of green, and you have the mesh pockets, 2 of them on this side, but there is not another pocket. And so that's just something to be aware of. The final thing I want to show you is the strap. So this is an extended strap. They've made them longer. So if you're larger than me, the Lululemon belt bag may be a better option. But you can see there's a tail there. It's not just a continuous piece. My dog's making funny noises like this one is. This one you adjust and there's no tail hanging out. And so it's just one solid piece, and that's a selling point in my opinion. So you know I love Lululemon, and you know I love dress up your purse. I like having options, and a lot of times the Lululemon belt bags do get short on stock. So if you're looking for a dressier option, or perhaps looking for the older style of the belt for the Lululemon belt bag, you may go ahead and give dress up your purse a try. The nylon feels very comparable, and I do think it is quite lovely as far as belt bags go. So that is the end of the video. I've got to go to a dentist appointment. Yay! I am not excited about the dentist appointment, but I will go there and we will take care of this. And hopefully my Diet Dr. Pepper drinking doesn't hurt me too bad in terms of the condition of my teeth. But if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.